we present Uponor High Performance Panel, the underfloor heating for sensitive renovation. This intelligent system from Uponor opens up new possibilities for architects, owners and installers for smooth renovation. For example, the possibility of combining the decision for a new floor covering with the comfort of an Uponor underfloor heating with the high performance panel. The little space miracle. This is how it works. After removing the old carpet and adhesive, the existing cement subfloor can be primed. However, the high performance panels can also be laid directly on existing tiles after cleaning and priming. Then the plumber lays the Uponor edging strip with self-adhesive backing, the high performance panel with self-adhesive layer on the back side, which is only about 1 centimetre high, together with the oxygen-resistant and cross-linked Uponor PE-Xa pipe. After that, the floorer evens out the surface to a level just above the nubs of the foil element, to give a total height of only about 15 millimeters. Now the new flooring can be laid, for example tiles or wooden parquet. To increase comfort, Uponor High Performance Panel can be used in addition to an existing radiator system or replace the old one completely. A flexible solution thanks to Uponor High Performance Panel. It is perfectly suited for the renovation of houses and apartment buildings alike, offering maximum architectural freedom. At first, the floor has to be cleaned and then the primer for the self-leveling screed has to be applied on. If Uponor High Performance Panel is laid on old floorboards, at least 5 millimeters of self-leveling screed must be laid first. The Uponor High Performance Panel components are the Uponor foil element for fast one-man installation, the Uponor edging strip, the oxygen diffusion tight and cross-linked Uponor PE-Xa pipe. To ensure secure sealing at the wall, the edging strip with self-adhesive backing will be fastened. Just remove the protective strip, press on the wall, done. The laying begins in the right-hand corner on the room. On the back side of the handy high-performance panels, there is a self-adhesive layer to ensure a tight bond between the panel and the subfloor. The panels can be laid quickly and easily. Attach the panels in one corner and roll it out over the subfloor, then apply pressure. As laying proceeds, the installer stands on the panels already laid, securing them with the pressure of his own weight. The panels are securely connected with each other. They can be used in rooms of any shape and need no longer be laid precisely along the edges. The simple overlapping will provide for straight pipe tracking from element to element, a real plus for ease of installation. Before laying the pipes, the floor plan has to be checked at first. The surfaces have to be splitted up into heating loops of equal size. The robust panels can be walked over and allow quick, safe and economical assembly of the PE-Xa pipes of dimension 9.9 mm by 1.1 mm by one-man installation. The obligatory pipe tracking guarantees a high degree of consistency in laying. The flexible PE-Xa pipes are suited for 90-degree and 45-degree assembly. The 45-degree assembly makes direct use of the specially designed nubs. The low height of the elements, only about 1 centimetre, makes Uponor High Performance Panel the ideal renovation system wherever low heights or floors are needed. For transitions, the joint profile is bonded directly onto the subfloor. There is no need for leveling elements. One connection possibility is the use of the Uponor compact manifold, here with the branch compression connection. For the new connecting technology, the end of the Eurochrome screw thread has a special form. After the heating loop has been laid, the PE-Xa type is bent at a right angle and the quick and easy ring is pushed on. The end of the pipe, including the ring, will be expanded with the appropriate tool. To ensure a smooth wall surface, it has to be turned a little before each expansion operation. The purpose is to exploit a special character of the polyethylene pipe, the memory effect. The pipe always returns to its original position, thus ensuring a permanent and tight connection. The Uponor PE-Xa manifold is also a good choice for the connection of the heating loops. In combination with an existing heat distribution, the Uponor Push 12-room control station is the right choice. After the pressure test, the self-leveling screed can be applied. It is laid to just overlap the knobs, so that the whole layer has an overall height of only about 15 millimeters. At regular intervals, there are pre-drilled holes in the knobs and the spaces between. They ensure that the leveling screed flows in easily and can combine directly with the subfloor. After a short drying time, the desired floor covering, such as tiles, parquet or carpet, can be laid directly over it. The closeness of the flooring to the pipe means that heating up times are shortened and temperatures can be quickly adjusted, while the temperature of the water in the pipes remains at a low level. Uponor High Performance Panel, the underfloor heating for sensitive renovation, can be laid on existing screed floors, timber suspended floors or tiles. Low element height of only about 1 centimetre. Perforated panel element for perfect bond of screed and subfloor. Easy to assemble, short heating up times due to low mass, easy connection to existing heating systems. Uponor, simply more.